Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your very own trading friend. Friends, I'm today very excited, and you all know the reason automatically by seeing my thumbnail that I have created a record for myself. I'm not comparing with anyone else, I'm just comparing with myself, and I'm saying I have created a record for myself. Previously, I used to compound my capital within 1 year or less than 1 year, but now I have created my own previous best. I have created my own best. Within 3 months, I have doubled my capital, and you all are witness of that. This was nothing but our live trade program, which we started on August 13th. August 8th or 13th during that time, and now it is still November 3rd. We are just completed November 3rd yesterday, and our capital has doubled. Our investment has increased 100%. And in today's video, I will show you the ledger, and also I would like to give you two important updates, two important requests, in fact. So stay tuned till end of the video, friends. This program or this experiment which started, and if I am successful, I have to thank two people. One is God, obviously. Without luck, you know that you can't make success in stock market. Previously, I used to do within 1 year, and now it has reached to almost 2.5 months. And second most person whom I have to thank with my heart filled gratitude is you people, because without you people, without your support, without your love, I would have not achieved this. This program was started, this experiment was started just to teach you people. So the reason for me to realize this experiment, realize the effect of this compounding, realize this big achievement was only because of you people, because you people asked for me, because I had to teach you people and show you people how to do live compounding. Only because of that I was able to achieve this big achievement. So I have to thank you from my bottom of my heart, friends. It's all because of your support, your continuous love which you are providing me. There are many people who are waiting for my videos, and when I was not able to post videos for quite some time, there are many people who are inquiring me on WhatsApp. I really missed all you people, the love which you all share to me. I should also thank my team. I have a small team, Sandeep, Santosh, Anup, and all others who are there with me, who are supporting with me, who are there guiding my team, trading with me. I should thank all of you for this support, and obviously my family also, who is always there with me. Friends, so as you all know, today we have doubled the money investment, and it was only because of aggressive compounding. So before I show you my ledger, and before I show you my Excel track record which I maintained, just in case if you want to have some learnings, there are two things which I wanted to say. It is very important for you all. Yes, the first and the foremost important thing is, friends, I have to admit it that I achieved this. I can say that this success came to me because I started teaching you. That was very clear. That is what I told you in the first part, that the success belongs to you. The reason for the success was you. So for what can we learn from this? It is very clear, friends. When you start teaching somebody else, you become more expert in the whatever knowledge you have. It's a real fact. Now it is from my own experience I'm telling you. Because in my starting of my experiment which I was showing you, I told you there are a few regular mistakes which I was doing. I was not able to follow the rules. I used to exit early and all those things. But when I started teaching students, when I was for example the workshop students who are attending trading with me, who are trading along with me live and all those things. So whenever I do any mistake, or whenever I cross the line, whenever I break the rules, or whenever I close early, whenever I book profits early, there used to come questions. They used to ask me questions, why? And that made me stop back, and next time when I was doing it, I stopped doing it, because if at all I do a mistake, my students will ask me. So I started following the rules rigorously. I started following the rules without breaking. So it really helped me. And also by teaching the strategy and teaching trading to one more person, it really made me more and more easy, more and more comfortable, more and more confident. So when I was telling my team as well the same thing, those who are interested in teaching the students, the further students, future students, there are many people, those who don't know about stock market, you're all welcome. Because it really helps you to encourage it. I mean, it helps you to build up your confidence and help you to trade. So what I would like to say you is, just try out this experiment. I'm not telling you to come here and teach on YouTube and all those things. It's left to you. But I'm just saying, try to teach one of your friends. There will be many people in your community, or in your friends, in your relatives, or in your family, those who don't know about stock market, or those who are struggling in stock market. So the duty which you have, it's a real success mantra of mine which I can say you is, Select a strategy. You can take any strategy from my channel. There is nothing that you have to follow this or this. Friends, let me tell you, strategy is least important. Please don't think that I've got some holy grail strategy and I'm making success in stock market. Please, nothing. I'm still following a candle breakout strategy, nothing else. Just had one or two indicators now to make sure that the breakouts are correct. That is because I'm a full-time trader now. If you're not a full-time trader, you can still follow a candle breakout. It's more than enough. What you have to do is take a strategy, teach it to any of your friend, teach it in such a way that you have to tell him that you are following it, and along with you, and I'll also be doing trading. That's all you have to tell, and start teaching him daily and start following up with him daily. If possible, start doing trading with him daily. That's all you have to do, friends. So whenever you do your trade, you have to post your screenshots, your trades, your entries, and all those things to that person as well, so that whatever the rules are there, you follow it correctly. Okay, and even if there is any mistake, that person will always pinpoint you, and also he'll keep asking you what was the mistake and why does this happen. So when he starts asking you, if at all you made a mistake, you will correct yourself. Friends, try it for yourself. It will really help you. One best solution which I can say, you can try it at your own risk. I'm not responsible. Try it with your wife. A best teacher, she can teach you discipline. Again, I told you, try it at your own risk. It's not, don't come back to me and tell me, sir, I ended up stopping trading. Don't tell me all those kinds of things. On the lighter side, have no, sorry, nothing else behind this. But a partner, just try teaching your partner. That is, if you're, if you're a wife, teach it to your husband. If you're a husband, teach it to your wife. And because daily you both will be together, you'll be facing yourself. Just keep a notice board in front of your hall or in your bedroom, and then just make sure that you write down your trades, so that even your wife also compares with you. And if at all you break the rules, or if you cross the lines, your wife will ask you. Obviously, you know that wife is best opposition party. On a lighter note, okay. So in case if you make any mistake, she'll pinpoint you and ask you, so that next day you'll be very careful and you won't do this mistake. Okay, you can try this. It will really help you, and it is from my own experience. I am repeating it to you, admitting it to you again. My trading improved, my rules, my system following rules improved after I started teaching live webinar, live workshops. That's how my skills improved, and you can see that I traded without breaking any rules. I started trading now without withdrawing my capitals and doing compounding, and my results are very superb. Now, second thing, friends, as you all know, I already started off with live trading from April. That is this financial year. I started also showing all the live trades which I was doing. Then I did experiments in different kinds of strategies and options. Then also did this compounding exercise experiment for you. So almost everything I have tried out for you. Now what else next do you want from my side? I'm ready for it. Apart from our regular learnings and trainings and teachings and strategies and all those things which I'm updating, what else new you want from my side? I'm ready for it, because you people have really helped me to realize a very big fact in my life, that is trading, compounding and trading, and you all have made me reach to this level. So it is now we have to go to the next level. So what you can WhatsApp me, and also others you can also put in the comments and also let me know what next do you want from my side, so that I can start it off. Now you would have seen me almost everything. Now there was some recently one comment which I got on WhatsApp. The person was telling me, sir, there are many people who are teaching strategies and all those things on YouTube, but hardly few people follow it. But you teach as well as you follow it. You also do live trading and show it on YouTube as well. There are hardly any people who are doing live trading and showing. Even if there are people, those who are doing live trading and showing on YouTube, they don't do every day, and they don't show all the trades which they're doing in the entire month. They only show their profit trades and they don't show their loss trades. So even if there are some people, hardly few people, those are showing their positive, negative, they don't show for full 1 month all their live trades. Okay, even if there are few people, those who are doing live trades on 1 month, there is hardly any people, those who are shown on YouTube, real live experiment of compounding the capital, that is starting with some amount and increasing it double and showing all the trades. There are hardly anybody who has done that. And in case if there is one person who has done that, anybody else who has done that as well also, there are no one till now in YouTube which I know who has traded along with others, students, carried them also with them and compounded and shown this live experiment. Yes, in my channel I have done all this. I have shown taught my strategies. I have traded also. I have done full live experiment for 1 full month and shown you all the trades as well. I have shown my profits and losses. I have shown my ledgers to you. I have shown how to compound my capital. I have also shown you how I have also traded along with my students and done live trading and taken. It's not that only I who have made money. Along with me, I carried along my students also, all those who joined the workshops, along with them also have traded. So have done almost everything which I feel practically possible. So anything else if I have missed out, you can please let me know. I'm really happy to help you all. Really happy to take it as next assignment. So my one major responsibility is over. The target which we had kept, that is the initial capital. Can a retail person double it? Friends, I'm just a common person. Yeah, did my engineering. I also was working in a very good company, in MNC company with very good package, and very difficult to leave my job, quit my job. A common background, a middle class family, mother a teacher, father a businessman. Just a common person like you without any trading experience, never attended any professional trading courses, nothing of that sort. Just by learning, I during those days I used to follow a website called strategy.com. So just by following that website and just by catching hold of few mentors and learning from them regularly, following their comments in blog and as well as in YouTube, I learned, improved myself, and then now I'm here a full-time trader, and I can say that I don't have to work. I'm taking care of my babies now, because of this pandemic, the COVID which has come now. I removed the servants and I'm taking care of my family. A common man, friends, it's all possible, practically possible. It's just that you have to understand few concepts. So some people keep telling me, sir, you're smart, you're genius and all those things. Nothing. A genius person can't become successful in stock market. You just have to be disciplined, nothing else. So, friends, hope this really inspired you. This experiment, which we started almost 2.5 months back, it hope really inspired you all. I should really say that it really helped me because of this experiment, and it'll hopefully it'll give at least a small push for you also to do this experiment, or you can start trading. And you can, yes, I would like to say that yes, you can make money in stock market. Yes, you can become financially independent from stock market, and most importantly, I would like to say yes, any trader can fly. Now this is the tagline of my channel, ATF, that any trader can fly. So now I will just show you my ledger, my Excel sheets, and also the profit and loss, how the performance went, all about all those things. So once again, after this, if any doubts, you can always ask me. So as I always keep telling, this is the beauty which every trader would like to see, the equity curve, just seeing the capital grow. So I was really fortunate enough, friends. I was lucky enough that I did not have a drawdown below my initial investment. So starting off itself, we kicked off, and then with above 7, it went above 7.5 lakh itself, and never it came down. There was no much big drawdowns, and we must say that because the market was very supportive for us. It is not that always you can achieve this kind of targets in within 2.5 months, but this was really lucky period. And these are all the trades which I have taken. So you can see that profit lines are bigger and the losses are small. So I have kept my losses less than 5%, not given more than 5%. So this gives a very clear understanding of how the trades went. Okay, so this is a trade log. So initial investment started off with 7,75,000 rupees, and now, as of now, the capital is 15,61,000 rupees. And I have noted down all the trades. I'll just show you my ledger as well. And so there are a few people who are asking me, sir, after 23rd you are not traded or you have hided. I recently got a comment on WhatsApp asking me, sir, after 23rd October you have hided the results and you're not shown, might be you made loss and all those things. Friends, you don't have to have such kind of worries, because I'll show you my ledger. I was not in town, I was traveling, so that is why I could not trade. Yeah. So you want to see the bill summary? I'll just show you the bill summary, and we will go from August 10th, from when we started this program itself, so that you will get a very clear idea. So I'll show all the trades. So in case if you want to cross check, you can just pause this ledger and then you can just cross check with my Excel. 7 lakh 36, and as of now 15 lakh 21. So where have I missed something? Let me just check. Okay, so this is the credits and debits. Okay, I just thought this was the capital. So these were the debits which I had, and these were the credits which I had. So that is what you can see here. And then if at all you want to see the ledger, you will get an understanding. So if at all I am taking from August 13th when we started till now. So yeah, here it goes. So this is the overall, this commodities we can just remove. You can just see equity, that is NSE future. As of now we are like 15 lakh 60,000 rupees. So same thing you can just go through. In case if you want to just cross check, you can just pause the video and check line by line. I have just put the same thing in Excel in here, just a small 1,000 rupees difference. Might be I have not taken the decimal points. So same thing you can see here. We have reached 15 lakh 60,000. Now this is the trade summary which we had. The total number of trades taken were 46. So friends, I should say it's a really big achievement. Less than 50 trades we were able to double the income. There are big achievements happening, and I should really thank God. It's not that every time it will happen, but very good one. Within 46 trades we doubled our investment, and almost the win ratio is 60%, which I always believe that the strategy above 50% is always good. And the best part, the return on investment, what a dream figure. 101% returns, double your investment within 3 years, something within 3 months. Okay, this is something which even I can't dream of, but practically it has been achieved. So thanks to you and thanks to God. And also the risk reward ratio, you can see it is more than close to 1:1.5 with the accuracy of 60%. This was a trick which really helped. Cut your losses, run your profit. You can see here the losses was 87,000 rupees. That is nothing but it is 5% of my capital. There's a little bit of slippage which happened, but the profit you can see almost we got 1,87,000, almost double than what we are losing. So this was a trick, friends, nothing else. Whenever you make loss, don't give up, because the losses are going to be small. But whenever you make profits, make your profits run. The profit will really help you. Okay, so this is all about our trades, and my one big responsibility is over, friends. That is the experiment which we started to show that a retail trader can make his money double within a year. This is what the concept which we started off these videos, but now within 3 months we have achieved this figure, and we have almost proved that retail person can make money in stock market. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and thank you for all the continuous support, and we will carry on with our regular learnings and tradings as well. Thank you once again, and have a nice day.